Email marketing is by far one of the fastest and easiest way for anyone to make money online with affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn why, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 legit reasons why you should start an affiliate email marketing business and what it takes for you to truly generate an income online by simply sending emails. But before we get into our topic today, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. But first thing first, what is an affiliate email marketing business? Well, the business model is very simple. You essentially create what we call a lead magnet, which is a bait that is designed to capture your customers' email addresses. So in return, they're basically giving you their email address and you're giving them back a simple ebook or video training that they can actually indulge themselves to learn some of the tips and strategies that you may have. Now, this strategy works in all niches, whether you are in the pet niche, woodworking niche, gardening niche, weight loss niche, you name it. Because at the end of the day, people want to consume content and they always want to get a freebie by simply just putting in their email address. And how you make money from them is very simple. You give them a lead magnet, get their email address, and email them different affiliate offers that is related to the lead magnet that you are giving away. And listen, this is one of the easiest way for you to build a business online and actually create a business that have the #1 assets that all businesses would need, which is an email database. Now, with that being said, there are 3 legit reasons why you should build an affiliate business with emails. And without waiting further ado, let's dive right into what these 3 reasons are. Reason #1 is that it's easier when it comes to advertising. Listen, when it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of people get their ad account shut down by either Facebook or Google once they set up their ad. And the reason why oftentimes Facebook and Google disable and suspend an ad account by promoting affiliate offers is not because they don't like affiliate offers. It's really because of 2 reasons. #1, most landing pages that is being used are not compliant with the advertising policy. There are a lot of claims on websites that you are going to earn an affiliate commission on. That's how they are able to increase the conversion and actually pay you the most amount of money. However, that is a pitfall because they would need to use claims and also words that Facebook and Google do not like. This is why when you start running an affiliate offer with Facebook ad or Google ad, oftentimes you'll get your ad account shut down. Further to that, Facebook and Google now are getting smarter and smarter. People teach or share that you can actually create a bridge page where essentially you write an article and when someone reads the article, all the links actually goes to an affiliate offer page where you earn a commission. Now, in a couple years ago, that works phenomenally well. But nowadays, Facebook and Google is actually looking at the deep links. So they actually look at what happens next after someone goes to your page, clicks on any link that you may have, and if it actually goes to an affiliate offer that Facebook has banned before, your account will get shut down. However, when it comes to email marketing, you can actually bypass this issue because all you're essentially doing is giving away a lead magnet for free in exchange for an email address. whatever you talked about inside your emails about the affiliate offer or whatever claims that you actually make in that email, Facebook and Google cannot do anything about it. So essentially, at the end of the day, it is easier for you to actually start running ads on Facebook and Google by creating an affiliate email marketing business. Now, reason number 2 is that you are building the #1 asset for any business. Listen, with the traditional way of running an affiliate business, most people simply just figure out the traffic and drive them directly to an affiliate offer. But in between, as a business owner, you own 0 assets. You're essentially a transactional business. You're buying traffic at a lower cost, hoping that you make more money from every single visitor that you send to an affiliate offer. So you're just a middleman bringing the traffic from your traffic source directly to the affiliate offer. When that's the case, even if you are building a campaign that is profitable from day 1, you are unable to monetize further from the back end and actually continuously make money from your effort. You're basically creating a business that can fall apart literally overnight if Facebook and Google decides to shut down your account, or if your conversion no longer work and your mathematical metric no longer work. Now, don't get me wrong, it works well if you can actually lock down the formula on getting cheap traffic and also finding a high converting affiliate offer so that you actually make money from day 1. But as I said, you're not building a real business for long-term growth because you are not building the #1 asset that any business would need, which is email. You want to actually look at email as a distribution channel. At the end of the day, you are still sending traffic to affiliate offers where you earn a commission. But before you actually even send them to the affiliate offer, you capture their email address. And now you own an asset that you no longer need to pay an additional penny in ads, and you can still communicate with all your customers and prospects and even sell them other affiliate offers as well. Which leads to reason number 3. You can actually sell multiple offers. Now, with the traditional way of running an affiliate business, getting people from a traffic source directly to the affiliate offer or even putting a bridge page in between, you are only able to actually sell one affiliate offer. And that would really put your business at risk. Because number 1, what if the affiliate offer no longer convert? Number 2, you're basically building a one-time relationship with your traffic source. And number 3, at the end of the day, that specific affiliate offer that you choose may not be the highest converting affiliate offer. But because you don't have a platform or a distribution channel for you to actually test multiple affiliate offers, you will always stick with just one affiliate offer and just make one commission paycheck. However, with email marketing, the beauty is that once you have captured the email address of your customer and prospects, you can continuously establish a relationship with them by sending them content. You can send them to multiple affiliate offers and even offers that is an affinity of your niche. So that way, you're basically maximizing and leveraging the effort that you have put in from your traffic source to getting your subscribers and actually sending them to multiple affiliate offers where you make money each time someone buys from you. And at the end of the day, if you wanted to actually look at it from a 30,000-foot overview, it's the fact that you are sending traffic to a page or funnel that captures people's email address. And the more email addresses you have and the bigger your email database is, the more commission you are going to make. So at the end of the day, you're building a business that is long-term and not just short-term based. When you, over time, have invested the time, money, and effort into your affiliate email marketing business, and let's say that when you have 1,000 email subscribers, you make $1,000 a month. By the time that 1 year later, maybe that 1,000 email database has turned into 10,000 email addresses. And that 10,000 email addresses will make a lot more money than just 1,000 email addresses. So as you see, it is a snowball effect where when you start to actually build an email-based affiliate business, the bigger your email list is, the more offers you promote. The more offers you promote to more email addresses, the more money you are going to make. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to build your very own affiliate email marketing business, I'll leave some links right in the video description right down below so that you can actually check it out yourself. So listen, if you're looking into starting an affiliate business, email is definitely the #1 recommended business model that I would actually have you take a look at and even start to dabble it in yourself. It is by far, again, one of the only strategy that allows you to build an asset that you can always monetize from over and over and over again. So with that being said, listen, do yourself a favor, go check the link in the video description right down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Till next time.